I gotta sweep my garage out. Sheesh. This is so bad. Like, I don't know how these leaves keep getting underneath here, but man, it's terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. All right, boys, let's get a cold start. Valves are closed, but it's still gonna be stupid loud. This car is something else, man. This car is something else, let me tell you. Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And man, your boy got, and I got good. I'm 100% on some type of Corvette page right now. I can tell you guys this. Whew. I bit off a little bit more than I could chew. I pulled up on the wrong car. All those memes, fuck around and find out. I found out the hard way, man. Again, I'm 100% on some type of Corvette page because the look on my face when I rolled my window down, the cameras were out, they were laughing. They knew I was about to get sent straight to Gapplebee's. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the clip right now. Oh, hell nah. Damn, she. That was a boosted C6 Z06. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed me getting gapped. That was a Procharged C6 Z06, god damn it. Downshifts, man. Let me go ahead and roll windows up a little bit so y'all can hear me. We're by the highway. I gotta run to Best Buy. I gotta get another camera mount for a future video. But man, that was a Procharged C6 Z06. Now, let me explain what happened, because obviously, if I knew that car was Procharged, I would have rated. Oh, actually, you know what? I probably would have anyway, just to do it. But I would have done it a completely different way. I would have left on 2, no bullshit. But let me explain what happened. Now, that was actually night 2 of Texas 2K, right? And I kind of went ahead and teased this in a previous video that on night 2 of Texas 2K, my GoPro messed up. it just completely shut off. And then when I turned it back on, it was stuck on the photo mode. So all the runs I got that night were completely chalked, and they were some damn good runs. I'm talking about the runs where you literally have to shift into 5th gear in a GT350. Now, if you guys are unaware, 5th gear in these cars, like, you're pushing like 150 miles an hour. Like, you're fucking going fast. Like, we were moving, we were hauling door to door. There was some crazy good runs, man. I was running up against literally everybody. Hell, I even ran up against a couple subscribers that night. So I had a good ass time, but unfortunately, all that footage is gone. Quite literally, what just happened on night 2 of Texas 2K just happened to me right now, where my GoPro just randomly shuts off and switches to photo mode. Luckily, it didn't chalk any of the data this time, because I made sure to go ahead and check to make sure I put this right back into video mode. But oh my gosh, dude, this thing, what's going on? I hate when technology don't work right, man. Oh, it's the worst. But as I was saying, man, after all that footage got pretty much lost and I went home pretty much empty-handed, I decided to go back out to a second location. Now, normally I don't do this because that always ends up whoop. So I try to stay away from, you know, going back out to second locations. I usually just go to the first location, get some runs in, whatever happens. I try to race cars that I know is gonna be a good matchup, and it's gonna be, you know, as close to a door-to-door race as possible, because those are the best races, man. Like, nobody really wants to be gapping people all the time. Nobody wants to get gapped all the time. I'd rather have all the runs be literally door-to-door to like 130, 140, just so it's like more interesting, and it's quite literally a driver's race on my end, because odds are it's a 10R car or a 10L car that I'm going up against, or some type of automatic car. You guys know the drift. Now, after going to the second location, it was dead. There was no cars there, nothing. So I was like, ah, damn, bro, I'm really about to go home during Texas 2K with no footage. Like, this sucks. So literally 5 minutes on my way home on a highway that is probably horrible, absolutely. Look, there's a cop right there. Absolutely horrible for racing on, because it's guaranteed. Woo! I run into that C6 Z, and I'm like, all right, fuck it. I gotta get a run in, recorded, because I have nothing at all, and this is unacceptable. This Texas 2K, this is unacceptable. Now, the first red flag when I pulled up on the C6 Z is there was no plates. So I was like, I should have thought like to myself, okay, these guys are about it, because they got no plates out in, you know, Copland. I'm like, man, they really about it. They about to run, because if you would have hit up, they're out. So I pull up on the car, and, you know, I downshift. I didn't see no drag pack, nothing. So I'm like, oh, this is probably like, you know, maybe just a bolt-on C6Z, because, you know, when you do heads cams, those cars, you know, you need a drag pack to put that power down effectively. So I was like, oh, this is gonna be a good run, because, you know, thinking to myself, a Header Z GT350 versus, let's say, a Header Z C6 Z06. Yes, no way I'd expect to win, but it would have been pretty interesting, because those are both, you know, NA legends, you know, Ford versus Chevy. It would have been a damn good run to get in recorded. Now, when I downshift, I heard something that I wish I didn't hear. I heard the from the Procharger. Now, obviously, my previous Mustang, it was a Vortec 2 valve, so I know exactly what those things sound like. I was like, fuck, I'm about to get gapped. All right, so we got the goods. We are good to go. We are good to go. Hopefully this video I got planned for you guys in the future goes well, but after getting that ass whooping, it kind of makes me wonder what type of route I should go when it is time to go ahead and add some force induction to the setup. Now, I've been thinking about two different directions. One direction is going to be There we go. One direction is gonna be the centrifugal supercharger route, whether it be an ESS kit, larger size Vortec or Procharger, or if I'm just gonna go ahead and twin turbo the car with the Helion kit. Now you really can't go wrong with either setup. Let me go ahead and switch this to the fun mode. And just like that, we're obnoxious. Let me go ahead and roll the windows up a little bit. You really can't go wrong with either setup. Both would put down some good power and have some headroom for when I want some more. Now, honestly, I don't really want to do a positive displacement blower like a Whipple. Honestly, I'm just not really a fan of the PD blowers on cars that don't have them from the factory. I don't know, it might be just weird, but I just feel like this car, just because of what it is, I feel like it would definitely benefit from twin turbos or a centrifugal supercharger, a larger centrifugal supercharger over, let's say, a Whipple or something like that. Oh, we got 12 right behind us. That's cool. Is that 12? No, just a dupe car. Don't know why those are even sold on the road, but I do think a Vortec or a turbo would be the best route. Maybe like a YSI Vortec, an F-Series Procharger, or a G3X ESS kit. Ooh, something sounds good up there. Or obviously, you know, some twin 62s would do this car wonders, man. Got a Porsche. Hey, as soon as the nice weather's out, all the toys come out. That's what I love about Texas. As soon as it hits 80 degrees, you best believe you see nothing but Porsches, American muscle. Whew! Let me know down in the comment section what you guys would do, man. Would you guys turbo this car? Or would you guys add a centrifugal supercharger? Don't say Whipple, because like that's like on the bottom end of the totem pole. I know you can make good power with the Whipple and these cars can move with the Whipple, but just for my own personal preference, I think that this thing will be moving out quite well with a centrifugal or a turbo setup. Probably gonna go turbo setup because we got that good headroom. 62s, this thing will be moving. Oh, another cop over there. 62s. That'd be right in the money. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys drop a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. I got a pretty interesting video coming up soon. I'm not gonna spoil it because it may or may not happen. It just depends on everything. But I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces.